How to send music in iPhone messages. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to send music through messages on iPhone. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Apple Music on your iPhone. After you open Apple Music, from there, you'll have to just choose any song whom you want to send. After you look for the song you want to share, tap on that three dots. From here, at the top, tap on Share Song. And from here, you can choose the option Messages to share the song as from your message. Right now, I'm not getting that option because of my region-based problem. In your case, you can simply find that option and you can go through that message option. Second option, you can share by using files. For that, if you have downloaded a song file like MP3, go to your Files app and tap on three dots. And from there, tap on Share. From that section again, you can easily find that options like share to your message from there. Method 3, you can also use or share your YouTube or Spotify link. If you use Spotify or YouTube link, you can directly share that music by tapping on the option 3 dot at the top right. From here again tap on share. And from here you can choose your message option. After choosing that, you'll be able to share the music on your iPhone messages. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.